Dear students, today I am going to tell you very important rule, the difference between subjective case and objective case. They are the subject. I, we, you, he, her, it, they. You know very well. Even everybody knows they are subject and everybody knows they are object. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. But most of the people, most of the students don't know the right place of the subject and object. Now I am going to tell you. Number one, subjective case. We know very well that subject come before verb. Everybody knows that subject come before verb. Okay, example, जैसे कि I play, before verb subject is coming. Okay, but this is the example. But the second place of subject after be, after be, this rule is very important. Most of the people don't know about it. How? If I say it is, now after be means the form of be, I have told you earlier, the form of be is and was verb. So after it, the option I or me, then the answer will be I. It was he or him, then this is the form of be, then he. Then you know this rule, but you have to learn this rule today. After be, after is after was verb, after being, subject comes. Is it clear? Now about the object I am going to tell you. Objective case. Object comes after verb. Everybody knows that after verb object comes. For example, help me. Object is coming after verb, but the second rule, after preposition. This rule is very important. This rule everybody knows, but this rule most of the students don't know. If you don't know, then learn. After preposition, always object comes. For example, with I am me, with me, after me. What are the preposition? In, at, on, with, after, before, for, about, by. They are the preposition. After preposition, always object comes. I am giving you very good example. Some of them are my friends. Here, before verb, subject comes. Option is they, them. Now, it's a very good question. Before verb, subject comes, they should come, but after preposition, object comes. That's why them. Because subject is some. Here, subject is some, so this is the object. It is clear? Two rules, they are important for you. After be means after is subject comes, or after preposition object comes. Thank you.